Hi, my name is Amit, and I'm a solar entrepreneur, especially working in the digital field, trying to get the solar industry to go digital. Now, today I wrote an actually article. I've been working in the solar industry. Hi, my name is Amit, and I'm a digital solar specialist. I help companies generate leads and have a digital strategy so that they can follow up with clients and convert more deals on a day-to-day basis. I specifically work with solar industry and nothing more than that. I've been a solar professional for roughly around 12 years, and I've gained quite a bit of experience working from the field of manufacturing of silicon to, marketing, sales and services for the solar industry. One of the parts that consistently came into play was that everybody focused on manufacturing of solar. Solar, let's go more and more. Now, yes, that is good. That is amazing because that is how our industry progresses. But at the same time, there are more than 27 billion, 27 billion tons of solar modules installed globally. My question is, what the hell are we going to do with it? Solar does not last forever, especially the panels that were made about 10, 12, or 15 years ago have actually come to the end of their life cycle. And interestingly, there is no policy or system that anybody globally thought about discarding of this. Now, it's really simple. Why don't we kind of dump it out there and it'll be taken care of? No, it cannot be done. It is really dangerous to put solar panels in landfills, and especially if you're not putting just one or two and you're putting 1 or 2 billion tons of them in the land. And it could be anywhere, here or on the other side of the earth where we are standing today from. There is an industry that is growing with this, but as solar entrepreneurs and solar system creators, generators, people who help the entire world save money, energy, and have a brighter future, the brighter future actually comes into play, into action, and into question over here. Installing solar today is great, but what happens 10 years down the line, 15 years down the line, for the next generation or the generation after that? In order for that, we all need to kind of raise a voice and make sure that wherever we buy solar panels and solar components from, the company that is selling it to you should be held responsible for discarding this at the end of their life cycle. Some of these companies will exist in 25 years, some of them will not, but at least it is a start. That is where we come into play with this. If we are saving money, if we are saving energy, and if we are making a brighter future and a better future for ourselves, we need to be also responsible for what happens to the future that we hand over to our next generation or to the generation after that. Now, there was a very nice article by PV magazine, which I have linked down in the description. Have a look, have a read, and if you like this, do comment and let me know how you liked it. Also, for all the people who are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon so that I can share more videos with you on a regular basis. You guys have a wonderful day and an amazing new year. Take care. Bye-bye.